What's going on, guys? Nanu Garage here. In today's video I am back with Cra CLA and Cra CLA's car. So it's been a while since we've done a video on it. There's a lot that's changed with the build and I'm excited to show you those things. But first thing on the agenda, we're going to talk about the HKS mufflers that he put on his car, the before and after of them, the benefits of the muffler, and the sound difference with a muffler. So let's start going over all that information and then we'll start talking about what's getting done to the car right now, as you can see, and what's going on with the fenders, what's going on with the suspension, because there's so much stuff getting done to the car in the future and it's going to be super epic. So stay tuned for that at the end, and let's get talking about the HKS mufflers. So if we come around here, you guys are going to see these beautiful looking HKS mufflers. There are two on each side. It used to be quad tips that he was running on the exhaust setup, where it was 2 and 2, but now it's just two single exits, and it is really insane, the quality of these, and the welds right over here, as you guys can see. And then it has the signature with HKS on it. Then, as you can see, he went for the titanium one with the burnt tips, so it has that really cool blue tip look to it. So these are pretty big, as you can see underneath the car right over there. The welds look amazing on it. So these tips are 20 inches in length going that way. They're 4 inches on the outside right from here to there, and they're 3 inches on the inside. So it's 3-inch inlet, 4-inch outlet. So they do look really cool given that they're 4 inches. I don't know if the camera really picks up how big they are, but look at that. I can stick my fist in it. He shoots flames, so I don't really want my fist to touch the exhaust because I'm gonna get black stuff everywhere, but yeah, he shoots flames, so we'll show some videos of that later on. So the main reason he has mufflers on it is to tone down the rasp and to make bigger flames. I personally like the rasp more and how it sounded before, exhaust note wise. It went from a super loud and raspy exhaust note to a still very loud exhaust note. However, it has decreased by around 20%, I would say, the exhaust note itself, and the cold start loudness too. However, the pops on the car gotta be probably like 1.5 times louder. They are extremely loud now. Before, the car would hurt my ears when I'm standing behind it and it would pop, but now it's just, it really hurts. Pops are a lot louder, flames are bigger. I'll throw up some clips of the flames. One thing to note about these mufflers is they are straight through mufflers, and you generally see these on a lot of Japanese vehicles and in the Japanese car community, but it's really rare to see a Benz that has HKS mufflers on it. I personally have never seen a Benz with HKS mufflers on it, so it is very unique for sure, and I do think it's pretty cool how unique it is, and the sound is definitely pretty unique. And the exhaust note has changed, so now that I told you all of that information, I'm going to throw up some before clips of the exhaust note, and then we're going to go out for a drive and do a few revving clips, and you'll be able to hear the exhaust afterwards. Alright, so now let me have the owner start up the car and give it a few revs so you guys can hear the tone after the HKS mufflers. So as you can see right on the startup, it sounds a lot more deeper, the tone of the exhaust. It used to be a lot more higher pitched and more raspy like I was saying earlier. So now give it a rev. those revs right over there, it's actually more deep pitched than beforehand, and the pops are quite a bit louder, as you guys may be able to tell through the camera, or maybe not, but it definitely is quite a bit louder, the pops themselves, and the exhaust note is quite a bit quieter. It's still stupid loud, but it's not as loud as before, but the pops are stupid loud. Right as we go under this underpass, oh my god, those pops are insanely loud. Alright, so one more thing to note is the interior of the car while driving. It is a lot louder with the mufflers now, the interior noise that you're getting, and the interior vibrates a little bit more now because of that. So that's another thing to note. The interior noise is going to get quite a bit louder with the mufflers on. So now for the last portion of the YouTube video, which is the update on his car. So you may see from over here that the fenders are off, the wide body kit is off, so that's why the wheels are just protruding and there's nothing here, and you see all these bolts. But the kit is off for a very good reason. It was getting painted, paint matched to this exact paint right over here. So we will show you that the fenders right now, just a little sneak peek. So those are gonna go on, and then right afterwards, something super epic. He's getting bags installed on the CLA 2, which is gonna be so sick. I cannot wait to see the bags on the car. It's gonna be really cool having a bagged CLA. So bags going on the car very soon, so definitely stay tuned for that YouTube video too. In the near future, it's gonna get bagged, and I'm really excited to see this thing on bags. So painted fenders are done. Let me show you those, and then it's gonna get bagged, and then he's planning on getting 3-piece wheels for the car. So these are a temporary setup until he gets his new wheels, so that's why he has the big spacers on and stuff in the front and the back. So this is just the temp setup until the 3-piece wheels get ordered and come in. All right, so now we are gonna show you guys the painted fenders. Woo! Man, look at that. That looks beautiful. So got the painted fenders all in here. Check out how nice that looks. This is for the front one, for the rear one, and wow, I cannot wait to see these go on. It's gonna look so much different now that it's paint matched with the car and it's not just black fenders anymore. It's gonna look so amazing. So I can't wait to see those on, and I can't wait to see this thing on bags too, because it's gonna tuck in everything and just be sitting on the ground, just psh. So it's gonna be pretty cool. Can't wait for the bags. Definitely give the owner a follow at Cray_CLA on Instagram. So that's his IG tag right there. So follow the owner on Instagram. I will be doing updates on my channel probably like every 2 or 3 weeks on it once the bags get done and the fenders get put on, so that should be very soon. But if you want to see like what he does on the day-to-day basis and his Instagram stories and his Instagram posts, which are super fire, definitely hit him up on Instagram if you have any questions, and give him a follow too, so you can stay even more updated. And that brings me to another thing. If you guys want to get more frequent updates on this car, leave a comment down below if you really like the content even if I'm like bringing you guys to the shop and showing you, for example, the painted fenders are done, if you wanted to see a video on that as an update. So if you want to see that as a video on an update, let me know down below in the comment section. If you like these updates like every like once a month probably, where there's like just more progress with the build, if you like those kind of videos, let me know down below in the comment section. But definitely if you guys want more updates on all the little things coming along, let me know down below in the comment section. I'll be happy to make it for you guys, but I am not sure if you guys will enjoy that content, so that's why I'm asking all of you guys. Also, last update for you guys is the Shelby Gt350 has a new clutch and flywheel on order at the dealership. As soon as we get those two items in, they'll be put onto the car and the trans will be popped back in. And once the Shelby Gt350 gets the trans put back in with a new clutch and flywheel, we should be all good to go on that car. So I'm super excited to get it back. There's just no ETA right now on when the clutch and flywheel is going to get in. So I appreciate the dealer working as hard as they can to get all the parts in. But as soon as those two parts are in, we should be back on the road with the Gt350, and I am super excited because I cannot wait to start making content again with that car. So the goal for this car is to be a show build that sounds super cool and it feels super great right now. The power is good enough for him with the Project A tune and all the upgrades. So now the goal of it is just to be a stance car and a really good show car. So I bet it's going to be a super great show car once it gets the 3-piece wheels in and he gets the fenders put on and they're painted with the bags and pair. So I'm super excited. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. Make sure you guys all like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out when you guys subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers and I really appreciate every single one of you guys. It means a lot to me. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comment section or hit up the owner and you can talk to him one-on-one at Cray_CLA on Instagram. I'm Nanu Garage and I look forward to seeing all of you guys in the next video. Peace.